Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TransUnion credit report access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TransUnion website. Locate the credit reports section on the home page. Click on the link that says Get Your Credit Report. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Select the option to sign up or log in using your existing credentials. Provide your personal information as prompted. This typically includes your name, address, and social security number. Once you enter your information, click Continue. You may be asked to answer security questions. Be prepared to receive a code via email or phone for added verification. Enter the code in the specified field on the website. After your identity is confirmed, select the type of report you want. If you're looking for a full credit report, choose that option. Review the pricing details if applicable before proceeding. Click on Proceed to Payment if you're purchasing a report. Enter your payment information securely. Once your payment is processed, you'll gain access to your credit report. Take a moment to review the report thoroughly. Look for areas such as your credit history, accounts, and inquiries. If any discrepancies arise, take note of them for future reference. After reviewing, log out of your account to ensure your data is secure. Keep a copy of the report for your records if needed. That concludes the authentication process with TransUnion for accessing your credit report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.